Alright, so now we have all this logic done. So we spawn the part, right? So it's gonna, and here we're gonna basically start the building part. And here we have the logic to stop the building part, right? And basically, when we want to place the part, we want to just cancel and do whatever is necessary to stop the building, right? Now, we can actually do something very clever here, which is I like to make things very simple, right? Which is that if I go back here and I do, for example, place part, yeah. So what we can do that is that we do this is valid, right? Is this valid? Yes. Goes back, it does the stuff, and we also call that stop building mode, right? And it does this. Nice. Now we need a way to trigger this, right? So place the part. Now we can copy this. And for now, I don't have any buttons, but I can do on mouse click, mouse button, left, I think is right. I mean left, we can do left, right? I can do this, right? So now, every time I click, it will trigger that, but you will only handle once I have the right part. So you see, it goes back to normal, so I don't have to worry about stuff. And I can place multiple parts just like that. Now it is a little bit annoying to do this, but we can always improve how we're gonna build this. You see that the chassis that I'm placing, it does not have sockets, and that's causing a problem, right? So let's just go back and figure out that. Let's just go back to modules, go back here, blueprints. So now we have the car part, we got this one, right? And we got the chassis, right? The chassis, the base one. So the base one needs to have more sockets because it's the one that we can actually place parts into it, right? So we have to just go back to the chassis in the viewport. And this is the base part here as well. Actually, let me close everything because I kind of got confused here what I did. Just gonna open up. I'm gonna copy all those sockets, go back to the chassis, place them here, right? And to be honest, they have all the right location, I guess. Yeah, I don't have to worry about them too much. Press play. And now I can actually stack them up, you see? So I can go back. So I can just keep stacking things on top of each other. So I can create a very huge car if I want. And now what I would like to do is like to be able to press, for example, the battery, right? It's not using the battery one. So let's just go back to the blueprints, the car parts, chassis. Yeah, I don't know why it's not using the right one, but it's gonna search for DT, building parts, and the battery block. We can use the battery block already, which is fine. And now we should be able to get the chassis and place it right there. And I can place the battery, whatever, right? Something like here, or whatever on top. You know, it doesn't matter. And then we can actually build a nice car for the character. It's looking really good, actually. And that's pretty much what we wanted to do for this part. Now on the next one, we're gonna be actually focusing on the car wheels, right? And maybe at some point we can actually create a simulate physics as well, right? Because right now, all those actors, they are not attached together. So when we simulate this, it needs to simulate as one, right? And that's what we need to do on the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you on the next one.